No, different courses. No, different course. Yeah. What about the question type? Here in question type, go to question type there. Cognitive skills, difficulty level. Yeah. Okay. Great. How about in DBMS? Okay. Difficulty level. Okay. So what do you think? So your Python skills are much better than DBMS. Is it true?